Amos Starquist here, at the Battle of the Buff. This is a galactic meat grinder of epic proportions. Gentlemen, as you can see, no man's land. Two massive armadas squaring off. These germ-head sons of bitches think that their one-trick pony show is the only thing that they can do and that we're just going to lay down and let them. Nonsense! This is a great battle. We need every swinging dick triad we've got. If you're not in there yet, get in there! Enter Westport. Maximum attack. Oh, wait, no. Hold on. Check your LTs for the settings. I'm pretty sure it's maximum distance, closest target. Yes. Westport. One move, conks are great. It'll take a while to get to the action, but you'll be well buffed. This battle's going to come down to who wants it more. And win, lose, or draw, we're gonna kick in some serious goddamn germ teeth. That's right. We're not letting this one go, you bastards. Alright, boys. I expect to see you there. Do your Admiral proud. Do your Corps proud. Do God proud. These guys are a bunch of devil-worshipping bastards. We all know. They're really just pagan spiral at the heart of it. That's right. Even the devil worshipper himself, Mr. Pagan Loving Amart discount special sent in real ships. They're smashed. As is that fat twat, New Iowa. That was beautiful. He came in, he thought he was gonna be a hero. Just epically got the shit kicked out of him. So he's pretty much out of it. All his alts look like they're wasted. Now it's come down to Sidhi and reserves of liberation. Both sides want this bad. Nova's in here. War Ferrets. NS. DR. We've got Orions in here. We've got Samurai Z. We've got Inquisitors. Everyone who is someone. Alpha, Omega, EJ. Everybody. Everybody is in this. Don't be left out. They'll be talking about this battle for years. And you, will you be able to say, I was there? I was there kicking serious goddamn ass. And if you weren't there, I'll know. I'm checking right now. I'm going over the rosters. If you're NNS and I see a truce, you better have a goddamn good explanation. Alright, Admiral Starquist. See you at the battle, boys.
Of Hector and Lysander and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the Tau, row, 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 to the British Grenadiers.